Jana Bank extends the banking services to the Karnataka Namma Shale Nanna Koduge program. This Jana Bank, Jana Small Finance Bank, has made tie-up with Karnataka government to provide a payment gateway services for Namma Shale Nanna Koduge My School My Contribution program, which launched by Chief Minister of Karnataka Sri Basavaraj Bommai during the Teachers' Day. Namma Shale Nanna Koduge is an initiative to create a platform for the donors who are willing to donate the money to the government schools of Karnataka in a in the motive of strengthen the public education system. uh, the donation amount will be received in a single account of the Karnataka Textbook Society, Department of Public Instruction, and then it will be sent to respective school account. Jana Small Finance Bank provided its complete payment ecosystem of RTGS, NEFT, UPI, IMPS, debit card, NACH, etc. To donor make their donations effectively. This Jana Small Finance Banks is Karnataka, Paise Ki Kadar, Value for Money, Ajay Kanwal, 2008. South Indian Bank launches a SIB one card credit card in partnership with One Card. This SBM Bank of India, State Bank of Mauritius, and South Indian Bank has collaborated with a Pune-based One Card to launch app app-based SIB One Card credit card. It is internationally valid premium metal card on the Visa Signature platform, which can be managed through One Card app. Visa Signature platform. It is a basically premium metal card on the Visa Signature platform, which can be managed through One Card app. This collaboration is on the lines of SIB's vision. Uh, this collaboration is on the lines of SIB's vision of digital transformation and to cater India's young population. It has lifetime validity with zero joining and annual fees. Lifetime validity with zero joining and annual fees, along with the lowest forex transaction fee in market of just 1%. The signing process is fully digital. This is instant virtual card issuance, instant issuance of reward points, and easy redemption within the app. It has near field communication facility and also offers contactless easy management of EMI equated monthly installment through the app. Recently, SBM India has partnered with One Card. This SBM India Mauritius, State Bank of India Mauritius, has partnered with One Card to launch a mobile-based credit card, namely Mobile First, which will be offered through an app. One Card has been launched by FPL Technologies, a fintech startup which aims to digitally revolutionize the credit and payments. The One Card's chief executive is Anurag Sinha. SIB is the first private sector bank in India to open a currency trust on behalf of RBI. Currency trust SIB SIB. Uh, this SIB, South Indian Bank, is the first private sector bank in India to open a currency trust on behalf of the RBI. It is also first private bank in India to open an NRI, non-resident branch, NRI branch in 1992 to start an industrial finance branch in 1993. This South Indian Bank is headquartered in Kerala. Murli Ramakrishnan, Thrissur, Kerala. Experience next generation banking is a tagline. Online assistant is Sona, like Siri. Lending card partners. We see lending card partners with SBM Bank India to offer overdraft facility to MSMEs. On 9th September 2021, fintech startup lending card. This is basically a fintech startup partnered with SBM India Bank India to offer customized overdraft facilities over 1 lakh MSME customers through lending card platform. Customized overdraft facilities to over 1 lakh MSME customers through the lending card platform. Uh, at present, the collateral like property, fixed deposits need to be furnished for availing the overdraft facilities. This proposed unique overdraft facility will offer special features like on-demand disbursement, zero physical paperwork through digital modes. This reduces the collateral need for the MSME to avail the overdraft on loans. That is, this unique overdraft facility offers special features like on-demand disbursement of loan, zero physical paperwork through digital modes. This reduces the collateral need for an MSME to avail the overdraft on the loans. Lending Card is a fintech startup established in 2014 that is specialized in capital sector lending. Founded by Harshavardhan Lunia, it's based in the Bangalore, Karnataka. Capital sector lending, specialized in the capital sector lending card. And SBM Bank India is Mauritius, Small Bank of Mauritius, Siddharth Rath, 1994, headquartered at Mumbai. DBS partners with Swift for the real-time cross-border payment tracking. This is Dutch Bank of Switch DBS in partnership with Society for Worldwide Interbank Telecommunications Swift Payment Innovation Group GPI. Global Payment Innovation Swift GPI. Society Swift GPI. Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunications Global Payments Innovation has launched real-time online tracking of cross-border collections for business in India, benefiting around 4,000 corporate and small business clients. The DBS became the first bank in India and the Asia Pacific to offer this service to its clients. DBS was also the first bank in Asia to launch outbound payments with end-to-end tracking. Outbound payments with tracking with Swift GPI. This DBS Swift GPI. The incoming payment tracking will help the corporate treasurer. This incoming payment tracking will help the corporate treasurers with better cash forecasting by receiving end-to-end tracking information and reducing the operational cost and frictions. It brings transparency and visibility and improves receivables forecasting and overall cash position. It also helps in improving accuracy for intraday credit line needs and provides benefits in supporting credit control. This service is available by default and free of charge for all the corporate customers. Both the incoming payment tracking will help the corporate treasurers with better cash forecasting by receiving an end-to-end tracking information, reducing the operational cost and the frictions, and bringing transparency and visibility and improves receivables forecasting and uh, uh, overall cash position. It also helps in improving the accuracy for intraday credit line needs, and provides benefits in supporting credit control. This service is available by default and free of charge for all the corporate consumers, available for all the corporate customers. DBS Ideal, an online online DBS online corporate banking portal, Ideal. Through that, it can be availed. The DBS 50 GPI. This initiative is a part of Swift's vision towards the future of instant and frictionless account-to-account cross-border payments. Account-to-account cross-border payments. Swift vision, frictionless account. So, the feature has been introduced across 7 DBS markets, including India, Singapore, Hong Kong, China, Taiwan, Indonesia, and Vietnam. This DBA Bank of India, Dutch Swiss Bank, and headquarters at Mumbai, Maharashtra, Surjit Shom. And about the Swift, it is in Belgium-based company, Swift, Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunications, and CEO is Tasso. uh, PPBL enabled. This PPBL has enabled India's first FASTag based metro parking facility in partnership with DMRC. See, the Paytm Payments Bank Limited enables India's first FASTag. India's PPBL Paytm Payments Bank has enabled India's first FASTag based metro parking facility in partnership with Delhi Metro Rail Corporation. This payment bank, the acquiring bank for the parking facility at the Kashmiri Gate station, metro station, will facilitate the processing of all the FASTag based transactions for cars with FASTag stickers. Additionally, this Paytm Bank has also enabled the UPI based payment solution for two-wheelers, and that enters the parking facility. That is basically using the FASTag based metro parking facility. Using the vehicle's FASTag tag in partnership with the Delhi Metro, Paytm, the acquiring bank, for the parking facility at the Kashmiri Gate station, will facilitate the processing of all the FASTag based transactions for cars with valid FASTag stickers. Additionally, this payment bank has enabled a UPI based payment solution for two-wheeler that enters the parking facility. UPI based payment solution for the two-wheeler that enters the parking facility. That is, for the vehicles which has FASTag stickers, the FASTag based transactions will be done, and who has the two-wheelers, UPI based transactions will be done. The parking facility of the Kashmiri Gate metro station becomes first facility. The parking facility of the Kashmiri Gate metro station becomes the first facility to be powered by the digital payment solution of Paytm Payment Bank. This Paytm Payment Bank is also working with various municipal corporations across the Delhi to initiate FASTag based parking facilities in both organized and unorganized sites. This Paytm Payment Bank also aims to implement the digital solutions for parking facilities at malls, hospitals, and airports. Basically, digital parking facilities, digital payment solution for the parking facilities across the Delhi and initiate FASTag based parking facilities, digital payment solution for the parking facilities, and so on. In July 2021, India's FASTag UPI-based cashless parking facility was first launched at Kashmiri Gate Metro Station, the only triple interchange extension of DMRC. First FASTag-based parking facility at Kashmiri Gate Metro Station. The DMRC partnered with the National Payments Corporation of India (NPCI) to launch 100%. This DMRC initially partnered with an NPCI to launch 100% digital parking plaza with the National Electronic Toll Collection FASTag contactless parking solution. FASTag contactless parking solution of National Electronic Toll Collection at Kashmiri Gate Station at Delhi. Paytm Bank Limited, Satish Gupta, Paytm Banks at Noida, Uttar Pradesh. The SBI has raised nearly 4,000 crore through 81 bonds at a coupon of 7.72%. SBI has raised nearly 4,000 crores through Basel compliant additional Tier 1 bonds at a coupon rate of 7.72%. Coupon rate of 7.72%, the lowest pricing ever offered on such debt. At 7.72%, the lowest pricing ever offered on such debt issued by an Indian bank since the implementation of the Basel III capital rules in 2013. This is the first 81 bonds, additional Tier 1 bonds, first 81 bond issuance in the domestic market since the implementation of the new SEBI regulations. Uh, offered 81 offered 81 is rated AA plus, which is the highest rating in the country for these instruments in the view of the hybrid and high risk nature of these instruments. Despite the high risk nature, this 81 bonds is rated AA1 plus, highest rating in the country for these instruments. And also Basel III capital rules in 2013 with a coupon rate of 7.2%, the lowest pricing ever offered on such a debt. SBI has raised nearly 4,000 crores through the Basel compliant additional Tier 1 bonds. And HSBC launched a Uni Transactor to simplify cross-border transactions. And HSBC India or Hong Kong Shanghai Banking Limited launched HSBC Uni Transactor, a digital proposition for simplifying cross-border transactions. It will provide one-stop solution and seamless transactions between the client and beneficiaries. This simplifying the a digital proposition for simplifying the cross-border transactions, and it will provide a one-stop solution and seamless transaction between the client and the beneficiaries. Basically, digital proposition for simplifying the cross-border transactions to unify all the cross-border transactions at a single point and provide seamless transaction facilities. It will provide a summary of all the cross transactions, including the two-way communications with the client. The client can upload, store, and retrieve the documents for transactions. It enables end-to-end visibility of transactions to clients and provides a complete dashboard, real-time status throughout the life cycle of all the cross-border transactions, and end-to-end visibility and highly two-way communication with the client. Obviously, digital mode of transactions with the cross-border transactions throughout the throughout the life cycle of all the cross-border transactions. This HSBC India, the first ATM in India, was set up in 1987 by HSBC. The first ATM in India uh, was set up by HSBC in Mumbai in 1987. The general manager and CEO of Hitendra Daibe. In 1983, it was founded. And KMBL, in partnership with IISc, will set up an AIML center in Bengaluru. Kotak Mahindra Bank and Indian Institute of Bengaluru (IISc) are collaborating to set up an artificial intelligence and machine learning Kotak IISc AIML center at IISc campus in Bengaluru to boost the research and development and innovation in the field of AI and ML. It is an initiative under CSR Corporate Project of Education and Livelihood project on education and livelihood. The center is spread across nearly 1,40,000 square feet in the city. It will offer bachelor's and master's and short-term courses in the field of AI and ML, machine learning, such as deep learning, fintech, reinforcement learning, image processing, computer vision, natural language processing, speech understanding, robotics, computational finance, and risk management, cyber security, fraud analytics, blockchain, biomedical engineering and technology, healthcare, etc. The center established under Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited, Indian Institute of IISc, CSR project, MBL's CSR project on education and livelihood. The term AI was first coined by John McCarthy in 1956. The IIT, Indian IIT Hyderabad, is the first Indian educational institute starting the BTech in AI. That is AI BTech, the first Indian educational institute that has started the BTech in artificial intelligence. It is the third in the world after the Carnegie University and MIT. After MIT, IIT Hyderabad, and Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Carnegie University, IIT Hyderabad, BTech in AI. Triple IT, in International Institute of Technology, Hyderabad, has also introduced a popular executive programs on AI, machine learning, and blockchain. Kotak Mahindra, Mumbai, Maharashtra, February 2003. Recently, during the second round of licenses of the uh, Narasimhan Committee 1998, Managing Director and CEO Uday Kotak. This TMB launches initiatives on its 100th anniversary. Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank, has launched various initiatives to mark a 100th anniversary. The bank launched the TMB Mobile DG Lobby to support its customers with banking services and mobile vaccination drive to create awareness on COVID-19 vaccination. Basically, it supports the customer with the banking services and mobile vaccination drive to create awareness. Mobile Digi Lobby. Finance Minister Sitaraman launched the postal stamp and specialized postal card and postal stamp to mark the TMB's centennial celebrations in Tuticorin, Tamil Nadu. This Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank was in 1921 as an Aadhar Bank Limited. Uh, Ramamurthy was the MD and CEO, KV Ramamurthy, KVR, and tagline Be a Step Ahead of Life, Tuticorin, Tamil Nadu. HDFC Bank partnered with Paytm to launch its co-branded credit cards. This HDFC Bank has announced the partnership with Paytm to launch a range of co-branded credit cards powered by Visa. This collaboration comes as a result of providing a range of offers like EMIs and buy now pay later options to increase the purchase potential of the customers in this festival season. Under this partnership, a range of business credit cards with the special features benefiting merchants from smaller cities will be unveiled with instant and paperless approvals. This that is merchants from the seller. See, basically under this partnership, a range of business credit cards with the special features benefiting the merchants from smaller cities will be unveiled with instant and paperless approvals. This targets deepens the penetration in Tier 2 and Tier 3 markets, enabling faster adoption to the digital payment. The co-branded credit card is set to be released on October 2021, while the further version of this fuller version with multiple features is set to be launched in December 2021. Best-in-class rewards, cashbacks are set to be provided on these credit card purchases. HDFC Bank, 1994, Mumbai, Maharashtra, Shashidhar Jagdishan, HDFC Bank, and We Understand Your World, Paytm 2010, recently, Noida, Uttar Pradesh, Vijay Shekhar Sharma.